let's change decimal to fraction. This has to be with decimal fraction that has two decimal places. So any decimal fraction with two decimal places divided by 100. 100 has two zeros, so it will be divided by 100. So first of all, separate your own numbers from your fraction, decimal fraction. So this will be 25 over 100. Divide 25 over 100 to the lowest term. What do you have? So this will be, what can go into 25 and 100? 5. 5 can go here, 5. 5 into 10, that's 2. You bring down your 0. 5 can still divide. So 5 here, 1, 5 here, 4. So this is 0 plus 1 over 4. And you cannot say 0 whole number. So that will be 1 over 4. And this is the answer. Now the next one is 6.05. So separate your whole number from your decimal fraction. So we have 6 plus 5 over 100. So divide this to the lowest term. What do you have? 5 here 1, 5 here 20. So this is 6 plus 1 over 2 zeros. So that is 6 whole number 1 over 20. And that's the answer. So what would be the answer to your number 3?